Hey guys, what's up? It's Galileo here again. If you don't know who I am, I'm doing AI OFM for the last year, and I'm coming from automation business as well, so I'm kind of in the space for a long time. And today I'm going to discuss with you about threads. As we already figured out and know, a lot of traffic right now coming from threads, and a great source to generate instant traffic for your AI model. Not like Instagram, which is taking way more time, and yeah. So today I'm gonna show you the best bot exists right now for 2025 for threads. You can spam captions, photo, spoilers, everything you want to do. This bot can increase your traffic immediately. You don't even need to open Instagram account. I would suggest to you, yes, you should open Instagram account, of course, but with this bot you can get a lot of traffic, open a lot of accounts, and start to spam. The beauty of that, the chances of you to getting banned are lower. I will show you exactly right now, so let's go all over the settings. So for the media, you're gonna have to load images. You can load 15, 20, how many you want. The bot gonna repeat posting the same images, okay? So you can like load only 15, and then when it finishes, so it's gonna be repeated. So it's pretty great. You don't need to load thousands of images. For the activity, the developer added really nice thing here. So it's stimulating natural browsing behavior. This feature itself can just save your account from ban. And you know, when threads see your account only like posting threads, so you say, okay, like this account is just here for spamming, we're gonna ban you. But when you have like scrolling, reading time, here as you can see here, there is a lot timeline action, scroll timeline. You can read through it, you can screenshot and read, but there is a lot of stuff here. So it's really important for your accounts to actually make them leave, I don't know if forever, but just make them leave more. Okay, you can see everything very clear. Okay, how much time the bot already running, likes that has been done, everything, all the actions. So everything is really powerful here. You can also export the settings, so if you want to use it on another account, so you can just export and then import. It's really great. For Udo post, you're gonna put here all your comments, your captions, with one space of a line. Okay, that's the way how the bot works. Then you're gonna publish them. What I would suggest you to do is go to the home page and then just scrape some of them. You can scrape like 20 or 30, just Control-A, copy paste, go to ChatGPT and ask to build similar captions around 300 or 400 and put it in docs file. Okay, that way you're gonna get viral captions. That's what you need here. Perfect. For the interval, I'm running with 20 to 45, but you can just test. Like this is not the right settings. Okay, like you can test and see what's working good for you. So this is for this one. There's also option to make the bot not working at night, but for me I want it to run 24/7, so I didn't use it. Here we can also enable random media attachments. So some of the posts will be with media, some of the posts will be with text. Then it's look more natural to the system and also make your account last longer. Moreover, the spoiler, which can make here we got just a client from Cupidbot. Let's make it more. Yeah, perfect. Need to mute it. So yeah, where we've been, yeah, here. So you can also add spoilers, image spoilers and text spoilers, which is can make your clients, the followers, interested to see what's in the picture. So it's pretty good and powerful. And yeah, another feature you had it here. So you can add to the caption itself, okay, and like just say to the bot what kind of post you want to post. So if you add like media 1, so you just attach one post. If you do like attach media 1 to 3, so it's gonna attach 3 photos. Okay, so you can also add multiple medias, not only one image. So it's really powerful as well, because as you can see, a lot of pictures here on threads. What actually getting viral is like multiple images. For this example here on my homepage here is for only one images, but this kind of image is going better. somehow. So it's also good for you to have the ability to control everything. Yeah, and I think that's it, right? I think we spoke about everything. Major spoilers, as I said, and everything will be very, very randomly. So this bot, guys, is not for beginners. Okay, if you just a beginner, you can start with new and only one account on your phone. Prefer to be an iPhone, which is better, and open threads after like a week and warm up the accounts, start to generate traffic by that slowly if you are a beginner. But if you already made some money and you know the power of threads, this bot can fit you like perfectly. Okay, I'm gonna test this one for the next weeks and see how it's gonna work. So yeah, I'm gonna run like maybe 200 or 300 accounts on the same time. And of course direct all of them to Cupidbot and then to FunView. So if you're interested to buy this bot, you can click on the link below, contact me, and I will transfer you to the developer, which is really great guy. This is the best bot right now, believe me guys. I bought all of them. Okay, I'm not saying just without a reason. I bought all of them. All the other bots stop immediately, suddenly, for no reason. They're not stable. You have nobody to talk to when you have a problem. But last thing I want to say, this bot is not cheap. Okay, if you search for something cheap, so don't text me. Okay, this bot is more expensive, more on the luxury point. It's developed by the original developer of Threadsbot, the first one who actually started with all that things, and it's more for OFM agencies at first. Okay, so AIFM just comes next. So if you're really interested and have money to put and invest, so you can contact me on Telegram. Until then, I see you on the next video. If you have any more questions, you can ask also down below. And if you're interested in one-on-one, also I'm doing to people more like feel like they are nothing organized in their head. They need one call, 2 to 3 hours, and I teach them everything regarding to UI, marketing, FunView, the chatting, everything you need to know to actually start generating some money. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.